This is a YouTube tutorial on Salesforce IQ and some of the functionality that it forces into your Gmail, for instance. Here I'm composing an email, and it's like, what are my options? Do I have automatic tracking off? I'm going to have email tracking on, so I'll get an alert when any of them look at it, interact with this, include opening the email and then clicking on its links. All right, look at this. If not, I'm going to not say a task. I'm going to say in tomorrow. You know, if none of them reply by tomorrow, and then you can even say, well, let's send it after 3 hours, right? And what else? Insert availability. Let's give them my calendar availability. You know, and then let's have in the meantime, looking forward to, inserts a Salesforce template. I can sync from Salesforce into my Gmail or Outlook. I can insert this also works with Yahoo, or anything else really. An email template. And then what's this? This is actually just send it. So I'm going to get tracking. And I don't need that. And I'm going to blur the top because this is a project I'm working on. And thank you so much. Have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is all this functionality that's baked into Salesforce IQ with Einstein linking it.